so today I'm gonna be cooking again. I don't even know what I'm gonna make. I'm just kind of like winging it. So let's see what happens. It's breast fillet, boneless, skinless chicken from Costco's. It comes in a big pat, and it's sectioned like this, so you can just use, you know, don't have to use a whole bag one time. So I'm gonna go ahead and boil this and just boil it for now. There, so I'm just gonna let it sit in there and just boil for now. I'm still thinking what I'm gonna cook. Okay, but this is my idea, okay? My idea is I got this cauliflower rice that I'm gonna use. Like I thinking I'm gonna make a casserole with cauliflower and chicken and cream of mushroom and cheese. That's just what I was thinking I would do. This one is from Costco's. It's USD organic, steam bags inside. Oh, so it comes with, let's open it up. I didn't even ever open it. It comes with steam bags, so it comes separately, I guess. I know this. I just thought it was one big bag. That's why I never opened it yet. See, I just buy something and I don't even read about it. Okay, so I might be using this. I just might make a little casserole with the chicken on top and throw on some of this cream of mushroom on there, and I got a meal. And cheese, so that's my thinking. We'll see if it happens, okay? I have shredded the chicken, and I left some of the water inside because I'm gonna mix it with this. I just decided to make some of this. Oh, this is kind of high, but I'm just cooking this. I'm just getting all the water out, so I'm just letting it cook for a little bit. And I'm just gonna use it like rice instead. I'm not gonna be fancy and make a casserole, so I'm just gonna use this as rice, and then this will be my dinner. I'm gonna put this in here and mix it up, and then spread it over my cauliflower. And then later on, when this the water gets evaporates, then I'm gonna put some butter in there. I'm just gonna let this cook for a bit. I'm gonna add some garlic salt to it so it has some flavor. I just doing any kind as I go. And of course I'm gonna put some in here. Season whatever you want, I guess. This is what I'm doing right now for myself. And then I'm gonna put the cream of mushroom in here. I'm just gonna mix it and let that warm up just a little. I don't know, I'm gonna put some mustard inside because I just like the flavor when the cream of mushroom and the mustard is like, when I put it in my hamburger and cream of mushroom, it tastes really good. So I'm gonna go ahead and try and put some of that in here. I'm just gonna go ahead and put some. Hopefully it'll be okay. I like it. Like cream of mushroom, try to put some mustard in there. It tastes good to me. Okay, so now I'm gonna put some butter on here. There. This would be my whole, like a rice. I'm also gonna put some pepper. I like that. That tastes good with the mustard. cauliflower rice. Then let's head over here and then mix this thing a little bit more. I'm hungry right now. Okay, so this is pretty much done because I just wanted to get it warm. Okay, it's okay because it's gonna taste delicious. And I did do clean. I did use my Salad Master. When I use my Salad Master, it's clean cooking. So you know, I'm using a, not like, you know, the pan you guys seen me use yesterday. It Teflon was all messed up. I threw it away. So with the Salad Master, it's more of a clean cooking because of the material and the pot that it's made of. It's very good. So hopefully I can get my shit together and start eating healthier. Alrighty guys, look at my new glasses. I had this style before, the pink one, but I broke the frame, so I had to get a new frame, but it's a different color. It's brown, but it's still nice. This one is good for when I go to work. The other one is good for if I'm at home, because I don't know, I can see better with this one for some reason. But anyways, hi, I'm Christy and Christy Lani. And yeah, and then we're gonna taste it right now. I look all hashed right now, but it's the end of the day. It's okay. So I don't know, I like the taste when the mustard and the cream of mushroom, it tastes good with hamburger too. And you can like put it in a bread. So this chicken that I shredded here, it can go in a bread as well. But it tastes nice. Let me try again. It's decent. I mean, anything healthy is not, like, you know, but the cauliflower is not bad. I like cauliflower. Let me try it. This is doable. I can do this. So hope you all are having a fantastic day. And thank you so much for all the new subscribers. The new subscribers. Thank you guys so much. I like it. It's good. And it's kind of like a lighter meal. I'm not gonna eat rice today. You see this? It's just, oh, because I'm on the prednisone, that's why I'm just feeling more, you know, fatter on my face or whatever, my body. I can't blame that. I think it's just I am getting fatter. But the prednisone makes you like swell up too, yeah. I have one more day of the prednisone and then I'm done with that. This is a good meal. I'm not gonna say it's keto because I don't know, the cream of mushroom might not be, not sure. But baby steps. I had a chicken sandwich from Jack in the Box today. And then when I came home, I had some ham with 3 little egg rolls from Costco. I fried it. And then I had this right here. So how are you guys? Vlogmas coming along? Is coming along nicely because I will be watching all you guys' videos and stuff. A lot of people are doing it this year. Well, my YouTube friends, you guys are, a lot of you are doing it. And thank you guys for whoever. I know I'm doing my videos ahead of time, so right now it's the 3rd, because if I get back then I'll be like rushing it. So this is gonna go on the 8th. Last year I did it day by day, but you know, it gets tiring like that. So I got some videos ahead of time, so I'm gonna work smarter this time. But yeah, this will probably go up on the 8th. But I want to tell you guys, thank you for voting for Navia. If you have an Instagram, it'll always be on top of my story, because I'm gonna do it daily. You can vote for her picture, and it's gonna be on my story. You just tap that picture and then go on to that original post and then just like her picture, and then you'll be voting for her to win a giveaway for December from her doctors, from the veterinarian clinic she goes. I tried to make it cute. I couldn't find her Santa dress. She has one. It was really cute. It's probably somewhere upstairs. That's like when I was living in my other apartment, it's like one floor and then I can just go here and there and grab everything. But now when I'm in here, it's a bigger area and I don't know where everything is yet. So I did not get to my bedroom yet. It's still not what I want it to be. It's a mess. I'll try and get there soon. It's like I have a hard time to throw things away, or you know, like I don't know, I need to start throwing it away or something, because I'm not going to be using it. So I gotta clean up my act, start the new year with a clean slate. Yeah. This is not bad. I think I like the rice, the cauliflower, and the gravy. I like that. It's good. I love gravy and rice. Before, when I was little, if we make stew, you know what I used to do? I used to have rice, and then I used to smash my potatoes up in my rice and then eat it. I used to love to do that when I was younger. I think I'm gonna go ahead and make some more of the cauliflower. That was really good. I hope for those of you that are watching this at midnight or the late hours, I'm sorry. Because sometimes at night I be watching some of the videos and it's cooking videos and it's like, oh my God, I'm hungry. I'm hungry and I start munching or having midnight munchies. So I'm sorry if you're one of them that's eating late. Right now I'm multitasking. I'm running your videos. There's my brother there. I'm gonna put him on for now. But yeah, so sometimes I just let you guys videos run. And I try to, let's look what Navia's doing. Hey, what you doing over there? Stop that. Hey, Navia, come here, look. Come here, Mama. I don't know what she's doing over there, trying to make comfortable. Okay. So I hope yesterday's video wasn't too much for you guys, but that's like my life, and it is a lot for some people. But I don't think it was that much because I toned it down, you know. But yeah. Alrighty guys, I'm gonna go ahead and make more of this. And I'll see you guys in my next video tomorrow. Okay, you guys have a wonderful night. You guys take care. God bless. And stay safe, guys. I'll see you